Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Toy Tengoku. I'm your host, Lindsay.
And I'm David.
And today we have something new, something we've never done before, Ensky's Paper Theater series. So these are paper craft kits, and both David and I have built one. I built this Kiki's Delivery Service one.
I built the Star Wars Millennium Falcon, and it's made out of wood, and Lindsay's was paper.
Right. Though the difficulty is switched around, but we'll talk about that later. So we've also brought a lot of examples of the other items in this series they have in their lineup of paper theaters. You've got everything from Pokemon, Ghibli, so Totoro, Kiki's Delivery Service, etc. We've got sci-fi, action. This is Ragnarok, the Thor movie. More Star Wars. My Hero Academia, Hatsune Miku, just all kinds of stuff. And they keep expanding what series they do, so it's really fun. Anyone can do them, and we'll show you that in the close-up.
Yeah, and obviously this is also available from the same company, and that's just... Do you want to give it a little quick?
Yeah, we'll show it up close later, but this is a backlight. Cool, so not only is it a case to protect the paper craft kit, but it also gives it a backlight, and it's got multiple colors, but we'll show you in the close-up.
And stick around to see how you can win our lovely Super Sonico,
as well as
2,000 yen store credit.
Right, so today we usually give away the item that we're showing off, but these we've already made them, so what's the fun in that, right? Like, you guys want to make them yourself, don't you?
Yeah.
So we're going to do a Gunpla TV thing and do 2,000 yen bonus store credit, so you can buy whichever one you want that's in stock on our website.
And they're all about that 1,500, so you'll have a bit left over
it depends
shipping
on,
or whatever.
It depends on the size and the difficulty, but yeah.
The wooden ones, I think, a bit more
Yes,
expensive,
they're a bit more expensive.
But they're probably easier. So if you want to challenge yourself, the paper ones, like for instance, this Star Wars one, which we'll show you in a bit, is actually 3 out of 5 difficulty, whereas that was 1.
Anyways, we'll show you in the close-up, so stay tuned for the how-to, the close-ups, and how you can win the 2,000 yen bonus store credit, as well as the winner of the Wedding Super Sonico. Alright, so you just saw David's time-lapse video for his Millennium Falcon, and here it is all finished. I'm just going to pick it up here. Check out the detail on that. Like, what I love about these is they're like a 3D scene,
Yeah.
So there's so many layers to it, and you can just tilt it and see all of these different details. That's so cool. This is the wooden one. He's got the sprues here as well.
So as you saw in the time lapse, I just break them off of this, and then it's pretty self-explanatory how to put it together. But one of the great things about this this product is that it is in English. So if you have trouble understanding Japanese, then you can rely on it's not English, it's proper stuff.
Now, my Kiki one was about 2 years old, and I can't remember if the instructions had English or not, but it was very easy picture-by-picture instructions.
Oh, okay.
So the wooden one's a little different. Yeah, but I think mine was just pictures. I don't think it even had language in it. I don't think it had text. So either way, the instructions you get will be pretty easy to understand. Now, as we mentioned earlier, this is actually a level 1. So it's not very complicated. Some parts require glue. I believe these...
the 3D bits.
Yeah. So the different layers will just hook on to these little bars, and then it creates this scene. But then for these pieces you see, like David said, that are kind of 3D sticking up, those are going to be glue.
Yeah.
That one is really cool. So here's my paper one. I'm going to take it out of this case real quick. The paper ones are obviously a little more flimsy, but they're really colorful, and there's a lot of depth to them, just like the Millennium Falcon. So you can see it's not just Kiki and Gigi here. You've got some of the different characters and other items from the show, from the movie, in black there in the back. And then you've got the town, the clock tower from the town Kiki moves to, as well as the sky in the background. Like, how cool is that?
I just think it's really good.
This one has about 6 layers. The parts that needed to be glued were like Kiki's hair on her face, any of the color layering you see on the character in the front, but the background, just the clock tower basically, and that's about it. But this kit was like a level 2.
How long did it take you to complete?
I think between an hour and 2. I don't feel like it was that long. So to do these, you're going to need some type of cutter.
Yeah, for sure.
I think
I used a sharp knife, but...
Yeah, you can use a sharp knife. There are going to be little tiny parts that you'll need to disconnect from the runner.
But it's all pre-cut, but you just got to cut it off the bracket.
Exactly. But they're going to leave little nibs unless you are careful or have a cutter of your own. I used a glue stick for mine because glue sticks...
Oh, for paper, yeah.
Yeah, for paper are better because they don't leave residue.
I use
like wet
super glue.
Elmer's glue type of thing does. And for David's wooden kit, he used super glue.
Yeah.
He made a bit of a mess, as you saw in the video. But anyways, let's show off. So this is Ensky's little display case / light box. You just put it inside the acrylic front. You put this white paper in the back, and check that out. Isn't that cool? So not only does this give you a color light back, but the color changes when you turn it off and on. So there's red, light blue, purple.
Oh, it's very magical.
Green, right? And you can just pick which color fits your kit best. It also has a color changing option. There we go.
Cool.
So it just constantly changes, which makes it even more magical.
Yeah, and this is the perfect size for these paper kits because it's made by the same company.
Right. And so this size is for your standard papercraft kit, but you can see that there's some really big ones too. Like this Pokemon one is just massive in comparison.
What level's that? Oh my god, look.
So, oh my god, look at that. There's the level guide right back there.
So that's why it's got more bits you need to stick onto these main layers, I think.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this one's going to be pretty time consuming, but I'm sure it's worth the effort. Look at that. Beautiful. When you're handling this, be careful because it's not connected to the back in any way. So if you pick it up just by the acrylic part, it's just going to fall out. So be sure you hold it, the front together with the back.
I mean, it's meant for putting on your shelf, right?
Yeah. So you wouldn't be like handling it a lot anyways. Let's just show off some of these others real quick. There's a lot of Studio Ghibli ones, and they're all so charming.
Yeah.
There's several Totoro ones. Totoro was the first anime I saw, I think, when I was 5 years old. So it's very nostalgic for me.
I saw Sentai Chihiro first.
Oh, really?
Spirited Away.
Like, this was like before I even knew what anime was, So it was just this mysterious place because I'd never seen like a house like the one they live in.
Did you watch it in dub or subtitles?
Dub, of course. I was 5 years old.
The thing about this is, I swear you could watch it without any knowledge of what they're saying and you'd still understand. It's such a, it's more of a visual movie than anything else.
Oh, sure. I mean, and Satsuki and Mei are just kind of like running around being cute a lot. Saying their names.
Yeah.
This Pokemon one's pretty cool too. I'm a big fan of My Hero Academia, so this one's pretty awesome as well. Bakugo and Midoriya. And we've got a Hatsune Miku 10th anniversary one too. Very colorful. Very fun.
That would be good in the light box.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So there we go. Well, it seems that all of them, apart from my one, level 1 or above. But I think mine looks the coolest.
Yours is awesome. And it's got this like plastic clear cover, which is where all of these, this text is printed on. And these paper ones don't have that clear plastic on the front, that window.
But yeah, fun to do, fun to look at. Recommend it. HLJ.com.
All right, so that was Ensky's Paper Theater series, and we both enjoyed our builds a lot.
I really had a good fun doing that. As you've seen in the, what's it called?
Your build.
The time lapse.
The time lapse build.
Yeah.
That was so cool. Thanks for doing that.
Yeah. I obviously edited out everything I did wrong, but.
But hey, it was your first time.
Yeah.
And you did fine.
It looks okay. Just don't look at it too close. Anyway, so we have to give away this beautiful figure. I think it's one of my favorites that we've ever reviewed.
And I think it's one of the fan favorites too. You
Yeah,
know, we got
had
a lot
so
of
many
comments, and we loved reading all of your guys' comments, so thank you so much. And so let's just give it away, right? Okay, so the big winner of the Super Sonico 10th Anniversary Wedding Edition is Squid Papas, who said, "The details on this figure are breathtaking. I would die to own her." Well, don't die yet, because she's going to come to your house.
Yeah. I don't know. Give us a comment. Just tell us where you're going to put her. I think I'd put that in my foyer.
So like David will be contacting you soon, so you can let him know your details, and after you get it, show it off.
Yeah.
Let us know how she
Tweet
looks
us
in your collection.
Social media.
So congratulations. That is a big item to win.
Yeah.
I hope you have room for it.
Yeah, sure. Anyway, also, how can they win the 2,000 yen store credit?
Right. So, please comment on the YouTube video. We always look forward to those. But to enter to win the bonus store credit on HLJ.com, you have to go to HobbyLink TV. The link to that is in the description of the YouTube video, or if you're watching this from HobbyLink TV, it's on that episode. Make sure you are signed up, because we have so many comments from you guys where the name is black, which means you have not fully signed up, which means we can't contact you. So it's so important that you fully sign up, so your name turns orange on the comment section, and that way we can click your name and contact you. Otherwise, there's nothing we can do.
So it'll be episode 61. Just leave a comment, and we'll choose one at random and send you 2,000 yen store credit.
Yep, and that'll go on your HLJ account, so if you don't have one yet, be sure to make one. And then you can use that to buy anything on the store. The 2,000 yen store credit will be taken out during the payment processing time, so you won't enter it while you're checking out. It will come out automatically later. It can also be used for shipping costs if you have something already in your private warehouse. So anyways, just be sure to leave a comment and, let us know what you think of the Paper Theater series. And, you might just win some bonus star credit on HLJ.
Yep. Anyway, so how can they reach out to us? How can they find us?
All right. Well, in addition to subscribing to our YouTube channel, hitting that alert button, it would also be great if you found us on our Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook pages, which are all linked at the top of HLJ.com.
Yeah.
So please come find us there.
Buy lots of goods. We rely on you guys. So clickety click, buy all of this stuff. It should all be coming. Some of them will be back ordered, just to note.
Oh yes.
But they should. We're hoping to get more stock of these. So.
But yeah, not only we get more all the time, like for pre-order.
Some coming out at the end of this month.
Yeah. And those are the Girl Who Leapt Through Time, The Wolf Children, Ame and Yuki.
So it's all anime based this month, but as you can see, there's other things that come out as well.
Right, and some are in stock, some are back ordered, but that means you can order them.
Yeah.
So just have at it.
Yes.
Pick your favorite and have a lot of fun.
And we'll see you again next time.
See ya.
See ya.